So check this out. This is not just a monitor here in the back. This is a Windows 8 PC. This is a Perceptive Pixel incorporated PC, and it's running real Windows 8. Go ahead and pull out the charm.
So I'm going to just swipe on the side and get the charms up, and there it is, just like you'd expect.
Here's us. That's the pool. This is where we are. So here's maps. You can, thank you. You can pull this map around. I can zoom myself way out. You can pull out the charm again and get right back to the desktop. But what makes this PC cool is 10 people could be using this PC at the same time. It's supporting over 100 fingers on touch. It's got a sub-pixel accuracy pen. It's 82-inch diagonal piece of optically bonded Gorilla Glass. That's the biggest one in the world. That title was held by Surface as recently as last year, Surface V2 at 40 inches. So you can see how quickly this is changing and how quickly you're going to see touch. You already see touch like this on television all the time. And one of the things that's so neat about this is there's no parallax because of the bonding. So there's really no gap between where my finger is and where I feel like the pixels are. So I actually feel like I'm moving this tile directly by hand. And that's what makes this all so natural.
This is like, it's stick-to-your-finger touch, like the size of a wall.
Yeah.
It's a wild experience to come up here and touch this and really experience what it's like. And Mike was talking about the parallax. Well, that matters a great deal when you start to use a pen on this. If this was a whiteboard or a different kind of application or scenario.
Now, what's really impressive about this is really just the touch screen. Any Windows PC can run this. In fact, the Windows 8 PCs that are powerful enough for this experience are starting to come in some of the most unbelievably small packages. So this PC was so small that it got hung up in customs because they didn't actually believe it was a full PC. This was only released like a couple of days ago. And it's a dual-core AMD system. It's a full-power system. It's got dual digital outputs. It's got all of the ports that you want. And this little PC can run this size experience.
Right, and you could mount it behind it, and really, and that kind of flexibility where, over time you could change out the PC, change the display, all of that is just an important part of being able to build really flexible designs.
So you've seen this full-power PC, but what you don't realize is this PC actually does not have Windows 8 installed on it. I did that entire demo from one USB key. Windows is installed here with a new feature called Windows to Go. Let me show you how that works. If I put that USB key in this PC and I reboot this one, what you're going to see is that this is really a Windows 7 PC, and I've moved my entire Windows environment, so all of my apps, all of my data, everything to here. No business runs on just one PC. You might want to be able to manage a desktop around shared PCs, and this is all possible now with Windows to Go. And of course, Windows 8 wins the boot race.
So you see, Windows 8 is already on the start screen, and Windows 7 is still booting, and it's this killer machine down here.
Yeah, that's Windows to Go running on my Sony Vaio Z, so I can take my high-def PC with me, and I can go.
And that's a really cool enterprise feature, Windows to Go, and we'll be talking more about our enterprise capabilities of Windows 8 at CeBIT.
Thanks
a lot, Mike.